Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's fun video, I have a whimsical woodland fall fairy inspired video. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then please stick around with me and keep watching. Thank goodness for editing magic. I already went ahead and applied my Curly Girl products, got those curls out of the way, and then off camera I went ahead and put on my Cover FX Mattifying Primer, then a couple Neutrogena products, their Skin Clearing Concealer, and the Under Eye Brightening Eye Perfector. Then for my problem areas, I put some of the Shape Tape from Tarte on, and then to set everything, the Airspun Loose Face Powder, then the T-Zone, the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Once all that was done, I did go ahead and hide out my eyebrows with the Shape Tape and then set them with a high definition powder. Now all over the lid, I'm using from the Latte palette Vanilla Cream, and then into the crease just caramel. To blend that out, I'm using a nice yellow shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Now focusing just in that crease, I'm using from my Sugarpill palette the color called Flamepoint. This is so beautiful, so I'm just intensifying that and really making that color pop. Now this color right here, this is called Moneymaker. I'm using the pad of my pinky finger and applying that all the way from the inner and outer corner, and it's also from Sugarpill. Then just blend it out with a pencil brush. Then also using the pad of my pinky finger, I'm picking up Kiss Kiss from Sugarpill and applying that into the outer third. Another Sugarpill color called Text Me to blend that out. I had a little bit of fallout, so I went ahead and used a makeup wipe to clean up underneath and then make a nice point on the outer third. And then off camera, I did kind of put some more concealer underneath and powder. Now that that's done, the under eye. So I'm going to go ahead into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette again, use a nice green shade to kind of sloppily sweep it under, then the Midori shade from Sugarpill to intensify, and then blend that out as well. Now moving on to eyeliner. So for this, I'm going to do a really nice intense eyeliner for my nice whimsical woodland fall fairy look. Quickly, I'm going to add some falsies and then do some contouring and add some blush. I also added some of the 24/7 Glide On pencil from Urban Decay and Goldmine to my inner corner, and then I went back into the shade Moneymaker from Sugarpill and added that right over it. Now the fun part, taking some yellow shades and some orange and green. So we'll take that yellow shade first and just really like sloppily add it all around the face where I want it to frame, down my cheekbones, and of course down my neck. Then I'm picking up that orange shade from Sugarpill, and then I'm adding it right a little bit farther back from that yellow shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and just get a nice little contour areas, and then right there again like you saw under my lip and to the inner of my brow and the top of the bridge of my nose. Then the green, just really intensifying the color as close to the hairline as possible, down my neck, and then I also went ahead and took that green shade and sweeped it down my shoulders. Moving on to contouring my nose, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with a nice powder brush. Now for the bottom waterline, I picked up another 24/7 pencil from Urban Decay. This one's in Mildew, and then a quick coat of mascara for my lashes. Then moving on to the brows. Oh, this is a Everlasting Liquid Lipstick from Kat Von D, and then a nice detailed brush and going to town, adding some color to those brows. Now let's make those lips match those brows. Here we go. Now for some diffusing magic. Ooh, but we're not done. Hopping back into a Moneymaker from Sugarpill, I went ahead and blended this from my hairline all the way down to the orange. Across my forehead, I applied it and into the cheekbone. Then, genius idea. Oh yeah, I got those. I'm going to add the Amrezy highlighter to my lips, and I absolutely love how this turned out. From here, I went ahead and added the same highlighter to my cheekbones, tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose, and a little bit down my neck as well. Then I felt like I need a little more pop for my lips, so I added Midori to the bottom and then blended that out. And voila, a whimsical woodland fall fairy. And I went ahead and added some more fall leaves to my dress, and this headdress I created as well. I had so much fun today, and that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and if you did, hey, hit that like button over there. And you know what? If you're not already, you should totally subscribe. And all of my curl friends and all of my makeup lovers, I hope you guys keep coming back every Monday and join me for a new video. Thanks again for sticking around with me today and for your continuous support. I love you guys, and I will see you next Monday. Take care. Bye. You decide to stop watering. Need a bigger desk area.